Let's start our today's session, that ESIT. So today is the first virtual meeting for the ESIT between us. So I request to all of you one by one, please start your video, and then after you should introduce yourself, just name and what is your interest in
સર
subject.
સર
Yes.
આ આપણો ફર્સ્ટ લેક્ચર છે ને
Yes. My first lecture in
કે
your class.
આની પહેલા કઈ ઓકે
ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન લીધું હતું ને એટલે ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન દીધું હતું સર આની લીધું નહીં.
First, let me finish my instruction. Then, after your query, I'll be sort out it. So, my name is Hiren Raitata, assistant professor in ICT department, and I'll take the ESIT subject. Out of 5 unit, 3 unit I'll be cover up, and 2 unit will be covered up by the Chirag Visani sir. Yeah, so what are the unit contents and what we have to cover up, what is the marking scheme are there, that we will be discussing today's first hour. Then after next 1 hour we will start our actual content of this subject. Okay, so this is my short descriptions introductory I'll be given to you. So now I request to all of you that one by one just start your webcam and give your brief introduction, not more than 2 or 3 lines. So let's start with the roll number 1, Nishant. And after your completions of your introductions, no need to continue with your video. You can turn off your video, so it will be not taking a load in the internet.
Thank you, sir. My good name is Nishant Mahesh Kumar Dabi.
Okay.
I am a native of Surinagar city.
Okay.
I passed my 10th standard in Delhi DPS,
Okay, very good.
and
And what is your interest in particular subject wise? Why you choose that ICT?
sir, I choose ICT for VSLI subject and chip designing and much more, sir.
Okay, very good, Nishant. Uh,
Thank you, sir.
Now mute and you can turn off your video. Okay, so next one is that 47, Abhay.
Sir, my name is Abhay Nathwani and I'm from Rajkot. I passed my 10th in St. Paul's, Rajkot, and I'm interested in becoming a grandmaster in chess and pursue streaming on the side.
Okay, very good, Abhay. Okay, now next one is Vatsal, roll number 38.
Yes, hello. My name is Vatsal Parmar, and my previous school was Vijay Modi.
Okay.
And my future is about on game development sector and programming.
Okay, game development and software programming. Yes, very good, Vatsal. Okay, the next one is roll number 42, Neil.
My name is Neil Liani, and I am native of Kutch and completed my studies from Sanskar School. And my interest is in data analysis.
Data analysis. Okay, very good. So the next one is roll number 23, Moise.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
My name is Moiz Wagela. I am from Palitana and I
Okay.
completed my study in JVS English Medium, Palitana.
Okay, and
And
what is your interest?
I am, sir, interested in software development.
Software development. Okay, very
Yes,
good.
sir. Thank you.
Okay, so next is roll number 8, Rohan.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
My name is Rohan Roy, and I'm Rajkot only. And I studied my 10th in St. Mary's School, And
Okay.
I wish by attending ICT, I may become a specialist in cybersecurity and cryptography.
Okay, cyber security. Very good. Okay, the next one is roll number 37, Harsh.
Yes, sir. My name Harsh Sangvi, and I am from. I complete my 10th in GK Dhorokia School from Rajkot, and my interest is in software applications,
Software
software
application.
base.
Okay, very good. Okay, next is roll number 9, Vishnu. Vishnu, are you there? Okay, so move it to the next roll number 32, Jay.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
My name is Jay Shaniara. I'm from Rajkot and I completed my studies in SNK school. And
Okay.
my interest is in game development.
Game development. Okay, very good.
Yes. Thank
Okay,
you,
so
sir.
next one is Khush. Roll number 6.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
My name is Ghosh Bayani. I studied in BAPS school, Raison in Gandhinagar. I completed my 10th there, and my main interests are game development and ethical hacking. And my native place is Rajkot.
Okay, game development and ethical hacking. Very good.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay, next is 11 number, Jeet.
Yes, sir. My name is Jeet Pandya, and my special interest is in game development and ethical hacking. And I have completed my studies in BAPS Gurukul Gondal.
Okay, very good, Jeet. Roll number 28, Mayank.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yes.
My name is Mayank Baldania, and I have studied in Vidya Niketan, Vidya Niketan
Okay.
School, and my interest is data scientist.
Okay, data scientist. Very good. Okay, next roll number 29, Rahul. Rahul Bhimani.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Rahul Bhimani. My native place is Gondal, and I complete my studies in Utkarsh School. And my interest is in game development.
Game development. Yes, very good. Okay, then roll number 50, Harsh.
Hello, sir. My name is Harsh Sardara. I passed my 10th in a PV Modi School, Rajkot, and my interest in app development.
Sorry, app development or game.
Yeah, app.
Okay. Okay, the next is Vivek. Vivek, I think some instructions are given to you in today's morning WhatsApp group. You didn't follow it. Vivek, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Vivek, some instructions are given to you by your CC that you
I
must
have forgot to remember.
Okay, so tell me about yourself. Just start your video and tell me about yourself.
Hello, sir. My name is Vivek. I am from Rajkot only. I passed my 10th in Atmiya, and my interest is about software development.
Okay, software development. Okay, then last one is 49, Rhythm.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
1 minute, sir. Hello, sir. My
Yes.
name is Rhythm Dejani,
Yes.
and my native place is Jaipur,
Okay.
and I want to be a ethical hacker.
Hacker.
Hmm.
Okay, so why you are interested in hacker only?
That only from small
But
only
any
I do
specific,
that.
any specific motivation for it?
Seeing videos on YouTube and all that about hacking and that all carding and that all.
Okay, okay, very good. Okay, so only roll number 9, Vishnu. Are you there? I think Vishnu is not able to hear my voice. So let's start our session. Uh, First of all, today I'll be introduce our subject that what I'll cover up in this subject, which are the 3 units I'll be cover up, and what we will learn in these 3 units specially. First, tell me that this is not our first lecture for the ESIT. Clear? You already learn and you already introduced about this subject. First, tell me about what is the full form of this ESIT subject.
Essential skills of information technology.
Information
Okay,
technology.
that essential skill and then essential skill of information technology.
And
Okay,
technology.
what is information technology? If suppose I ask you that define me as a information technology, what will be your answer?
Sir, AI, artificial intelligence.
No.
So information and technology means the things which are used to store, retrieve, or transmit something.
Okay, to store, retrieve, or transmit something, but in which manner? In digital
In
manner or in anything else?
digital manner, sir.
Okay,
Digital manner.
digital manner. Yes, very good. Because majority you all are interested in that computer, otherwise in computer field either as a hacking or game development or data science or data analysis are there. So first this field, whatever your interest are there, which is a basic part is that computer. Yeah. So tell me about the computer components are there. Which are the components, software based and hardware components?
Sir, may I?
So
First, raise your hand those who give that answer, so I can allow them to speak it. Okay, Abhay.
Sir, hardware components of a computer are CPU, motherboard, hard drive, SSD, RAM,
Okay.
PSU to
Okay.
run the processor, a graphics card that does all the graphics computing.
Okay. So now again, I'll ask you one question that you told me that a graphic card is a component of the computer. Now this component is a compulsory to run my basic computer or to open my computer.
No, sir.
no, sir.
Okay, so some of the components are not specific or not compulsory to run a basic computer. So which are the components are compulsory to, or mainly we can say that it start our computer?
CPU,
Keyboard.
a motherboard, a RAM,
Okay,
storage.
again, I'll tell you that if you want to give answer, please raise your hand. Then after I'll allow to you.
Sorry, sir.
It's okay. Nishant,
Yes, sir.
tell me.
So we first need a motherboard,
Okay.
CPU,
Okay.
CPU, RAM, stock cooler, a power supply, uh,
Okay.
and input and output devices like monitor, CPU, keyboard.
Okay.
If no, not speakers, and much more. Sir.
Okay. So these are the hardware components are there. Now we know that whatever your interest are there, the data science or data analysis, game development are there. So either it requires that application program, otherwise it's a system program are there. So first tell me about that, the which are the system programs you require to open or to run application program, or what do you know about that, the system program or application program? Okay, rather than Nissan, no one else to give that answer. What about other students? Only two students are always give raise their hand to give that answer. Why other students are silent? Yes, Moise.
Sir, C program and Java language.
Okay, C program and Java language. Okay, so what is the purpose of these languages?
Sir,
I
for
think C languages you already learn in the 10th standard. Am I right?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All are agree with that. So all
Sir,
are.
I don't know about C, but we learned Blue Jay.
Sorry, which language?
Blue Jay, Java.
Blue Jay, Java. Okay, just a second.
હેલો સર, અવાજ નથી આવતો.
મ્યુટ કર્યું છે સરે.
Okay, sorry for interrupt. Okay, where we there? For the C language and Java language. Okay, now tell me about that. Which are the language? Do you know, or do you know only the different language name of it? I need at least one answer from each and every student. One language name, one computer language. You can send me your answer in a chat box. You can send me your answer in chat box. So each and every student has to give me at least one language name. Now no need to raise your hand. You just give me your answer.
Sir, may I?
Yes, everyone has to given one at least one language which we have to use. Otherwise, you just know only about the name of it.
Okay, sir. Python, Java, Ruby,
Nishant, I
HTML.
think I told you that you have to send me in chat box, so other students can't copy your
સર, I
answer.
sent
Okay,
you.
sir.
Okay, so Java, C language, HTML, Python, Ruby, HTML, C++, COBOL, that binary language. Okay. So these are the answer from your side. Now tell me about that. If we are interested in that computer language, or we are interested in that computer or software development, since some videos related to Python, I don't really know about. Okay, right now I'm just asking about the language name. I don't need to that. What do you know about the depth of that language? It's okay, Abhay. So now we are going to that various communication and interactions between us. Then after we are moving to that a particular session of particular subject after the 1 hour. Thus first 1 hour is only for that interactions between us regarding that computer and various languages, or what is the main purpose of that computer engineering or ICT engineer. Clear? So now language is a most important part of the engineering. Clear? First, what do you know about the C language? Okay, you can unmute yourself or raise your hand. So I'll allow to give that answer. What is C language? Any idea? Don't worry about your answer. If your answer is wrong, I'll be not give you any punishment right now because this is our first lecture and I need interactions. Uh, this answer you must have to raise your hand and unmute yourself and just give that so all class can listen your answer.
Sir, it is the mother of all languages.
Okay,
Is
why it's
the
called as
basic
the mother
language.
of all languages?
Because many other languages have like come from it. Many other computer languages.
Okay, many other languages are come from it. Otherwise, uh, we can say any other way is this is the mother of the all languages. Okay, yes, Nishant, what is your comment about it?
Uh, Sir, C language is a programming language, and C language provides the construct the map by efficiency of a typical machine.
Okay, typical machine.
Yes.
Okay, yes, very good. Now, one statement is for that C language is there. The C is the middle level language. Why it's called as middle level language? Anyone know that? Any idea about it? We are not right now. We are not learning that C language, but just discussions between me and you. That's why I'm asking this a basic of it because now after the 1 hour we are moving to that our actual concept that is HTML and the various designing part of the web scripting language. Okay, no idea. So it's okay. Now, do you know that computer understand only one language? Do you know that which language is understand by computer?
Binary language.
Yes, binary language. And we know that we can't understand that binary language. Clear? We can detect it. Otherwise, we can say that we can particularly map with our language, which is we can understand. So what happen in that computer system side, whatever we are sending to that command or whatever we are writing in that particular computer system, that computer system first it is converted into that language. That means it is called as the machine language. And C language is providing both the side. Clear? C language has a compiler. So compiler is compile our program. I know that some students are nothing to do or know about that particular C language, but just consider that if you are writing a one simple program in that C language, which is we understand. Clear? For example, if you want to print your name, so that simple program we have just write into that C language. So that is called as the a program that we understand as a alphabetical letter. So that is called as the high level language that is understand by the user, that means human things. But system doesn't understand this high level language or alphabetical level language. So C language, when you are execute your program, so it is compile that program and it is converted into that a machine level language, and then after it will be execute that program as per the machine language, and then it is given to that our output of this program. So that's why C language is called as the between of higher level and lower level as the assembly level language. That's why C language is called as the middle level language. Clear? So see why I'm talking about the C language, because we know that C is the your first step of your engineering, because in engineering no any single fields are there, so you can make your career. Numbers of ways are there. If you know that um, various interests are there, someone is interested in that game development, then game development is also done by the computer. Clear? Data science are there, then data science is also done by in the computer, but various languages are used for it. In game development utility are there, then data science that Python are there, then some other languages, machine learning are there. So various languages we can use to our interest and we can achieve that interest part. Clear? So this is the main part, and which are various techniques which we can follow it. Get it my point? Right now, is there any students that facing or that can feeling like that everything is going to that upside of their head?
Sir,
Yes, Nishan.
sir, can you explain some simple way, the short and simple way, sir?
Actually, I'm not explaining in that any higher level language. I'm just discussing with you that. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Right now, I'm not delivering any kind of particular our syllabus topic. Right now, this is the
Okay.
interaction between us. So you know me that, and then I know you very well. Then after we will start our actual content of the subject.
Okay, sir.
Clear? Okay. So I think you have clear about it. Then if you have any question, then you can raise your hand and you can ask me anytime. Clear? Okay. Now we are moving to that a particular subject wise. What I'll be teach you that in particular subject. Clear? Then after which are the syllabus or which are the units I'll be teach you in this ESIT subject. So now I'll open our syllabus file. Just a second. Okay. Do you see that this is our subject syllabus file?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So
Yeah.
in this subject we have a 5 units are there. A first unit which is the introductions of computer system, internet, and triple W, which is services provided by the internet, and documentations about the word, spreadsheet, and presentations of it. Yeah. Then third unit, working with HTML. Now some of your students are already given that HTML is one of the language are there. Do you know that what is the full form of HTML?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is that?
Yes, sir. Hypertext markup
Hypertext
language.
markup language.
Okay, hypertext markup language are there. This is the full form of it. And now my next question is that why we use this HTML? Do you know, or do you know any idea about it?
So may I?
Yes, Nishan. Or no, you
So HTML.
wait, Jeet. I
Sir.
think new students we have to give that chance.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
Jeet.
may I?
Yes, Jeet.
Sir, HTML is used for web designing also.
Yes, web designing. Perfect answer is the
Sir,
Jeet.
in CSS, HTML also used.
Oh, okay. That next our unit is the fundamental of CSS are there. Jeet, do you know that what is the full form of CSS?
No, sir.
Okay, I'll do it given that cascading style sheet. Clear? So see, first we have to learn about the HTML, and HTML perfect answer. The full form is that a hypertext markup language. Clear? And it is mainly used to design your website. Clear? Design your website. First, get my point. Design your website, that means a layout of your website which is done into HTML. I'm not talking about that particular any restriction or any operations. Clear? For example, if you says that if I'm enter my name and surname, then email ID, then it will be reflect to the other page. It is not a in HTML. It is providing that only transfer our data, but based on that or any particular operation we require that the HTML is not for it. Clear? So especially which box we have to design માં તમે કયા કયા parts use કરો છો, or any particular the contents you are used in particular HTML, that is we have to learn for the HTML part. Get it my point? I think someone is already learned that HTML basic idea about of it, so it will be very helpful to understand this HTML now. But don't worry, those who are not any touch with this HTML, I'll be cover up everything and you will be ready to create any website of it. But right now we are only for the designing part. Now some designing is only for that a basic designing. If you want to that a one step ahead of the designing part, at that time we are using that a CSS, that is called as the cascading style sheet are there. And then after we are moving to, we will be moved that fundamentals of the programming and scripting language are there. So some programming and scripting language that we have to create our website. So at that time we are use or we will be helped to various languages are there. One of the scripting language are there, that is a PHP. Anyone heard about the name of this PHP?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
uh,
sir.
Yes, PHP is called for the web scripting language. Now, I'm always using a one word to create a website, to design a website. But now, our next target or next question is that what is a website? If I'm ask you that as a generally that what is a website, so what will be your answer? Jeet, if you want to give that answer, then please give it. Otherwise, mute yourself.
So may I?
Yes, Nishant.
So website is a collection of web pages.
Yes, we can say perfect answer. Website is the collection of web pages. So now, agar in our next word is that what is a web page? So now I am opening a one whiteboard over here, so we can sort out that. So website is the collection of web pages, clear, or various web pages. Now again a new word is there. What is a web page? Is it visible to you, my this whiteboard?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
do you know or any idea about the web pages, or what we can say that as a web pages?
May I?
Yes, Vivek.
A content or information that user get from the browser.
Yes, we can say that, or collection of the information. Actually, the web page is the information which is displayed in the browser page. Yeah. So collection of information, clear? Collection of information displayed through the browser. Now again new word is there, that is what is browser? Okay, do you know that what is browser? Yes, Abhay.
So may I?
Abhay.
Sir,
Sir,
may I?
something that helps you access the web pages
Okay, to access the web
using a search
pages,
engine.
or access the
Sir,
web pages or website?
Website, I mean, sorry.
Okay, website, because website is the top part of the web page. So we can say that if we want to open any website, or we can say that any particular web resources are there, we need a browser. Without browser, we can't open it. Is it correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now after that we need internet connections. Then and then we can move to the our or we can access the particular that web resources. Okay, now website and web pages. Are you getting that a difference between that? What is a website and what is a web page?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone is clear about it? So now we can conclude our this particular topic, that website and web pages, it requires the at least one browser to retrieve it. Yeah, for example, if I tell you that if I want to open the Marward University website, I can open it using a internet connections, and using internet connection I can open in my browser. Which browser, that is not important. You can use anything, Google Chrome, Mozilla, that Internet Explorer are there, and Safari are there. Anything you can use, Opera are there. Yeah, the browser is not important for us, but at least one browser is required to open your website. Yeah, so same as it is HTML, we are starting our sessions using that HTML part, because our first unit, is it visible to you, this PDF, this syllabus PDF?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes, sir.
okay, so now I'll be cover up this three unit, unit number 3, 4 and 5 are there. So this three unit I'll be cover up. So let us start with the HTML are there. HTML is used to design your web pages, but if we are designing any web pages, how can we execute it? So obvious that design is the web pages are there, and we know that any web pages or any particular website is executing or it is displaying using a browser. So whenever we create any HTML page or any HTML content, it must be executed through the browser. Without browser we can't execute it. Is it correct, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so all are agree with me that if we are creating any particular HTML web pages, it must be executed in the browser. Clear,
Yes,
everyone?
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
now anyone know that HTML, why it's called as the hypertext markup language? Okay, before we are going to that HTML deep part are there, first tell me that if you are accessing any particular website are there, so what is the websites are going for that? Is there any requesting form to that server?
Sir, can you repeat the question, sir?
Okay, suppose, okay, I'll first show you one figure, then after you can give me that answer of it. Just a second, I'm opening it. Okay, so this is our actual part of there. In this unit 3, that HTML contents, I'll be cover up it. So in this HTML, we have two introductions to HTML, then basic HTML tags, and various HTML tags are there. Then after HTML tables and forms, we will learn on this part. So these are the HTML concept of it, but first we have to understand about that what is a website and how its works are there. Okay, so up to now you already access the various websites are there. So do you any idea about that, how the actual web works are there? Okay, I think now I'll ask a specific student this question, then and then they will communicate with me.
Hello.
Wait, Abhay or Nishant, I'll be give you that chance if no one else. Okay, Rahul, Jay, Harsh, Mayank, Vatsal, Neil, Ridham. So are you there? Don't worry about the
Yes,
wrong
sir.
answer, or it is.
Yes, sir.
Then why you are not
Already.
giving any particular answer? I'm just asking you that.
Sir,
Yes.
can you repeat question one time?
I'm asking, up to now you are accessing a many websites, but do you know that what is how the actual websites are works? You are accessing any particular website through your computer system, but do you know that what is the flow of it, that how it works are there? Any idea? Don't worry about your wrong answer or any different answer.
Sir, by their server.
Okay, by the server. Okay, so what happening when you are opening that a particular website? Yes, Abhay.
Sir, when we want to see a page, we send a packet requesting the access to the website. And in response, the server either allows us or
Okay,
denies the request.
okay. That means it is responding something. Either it is allow or denied. Okay, Nissan, what is your answer?
So same as Abhay told, but sir, we are not requesting to the website. We are requesting to the server to
Okay,
respond.
હું
okay.
સર્વર જ કહું છું.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. This is not a cross verifications to you. I'm asking to you that what is their answer. Clear? So whenever you are typing or any particular website in your system, so first of all, your system is connected with the internet, and using that internet, it is requested the particular server that I need a home page or I need a first page of this website. For example, if you are writing that www.facebook.com and your system is connected with that internet, so what happened that a Facebook request through your internet connections through the Facebook server. Now Facebook servers retrieves one request, and particularly server is responding the home page of the Facebook, and that web page will be displayed in your system. So that response by the server. So clear. So this is called as the client and server architecture of the web page, or we can say that it's web works. So how the web works will be done in this particular system. So we can say that we are as a user, or we can say that as a client, we are requesting to that particular website, and server is responding that particular request. For example, now I'm opening that Marwadi University website. Just a second, we give their live demo. Okay, did you see that my Google Chrome?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see, this is my Google Chrome web browser are there. I'm requesting to Marwadi University website. Clear? So this is called as the web URL. Clear? When you are accessing the website, so that particular address is called as the web URL. So when I click on it, and now my system is connected with the internet, so it is requesting to the Marwadi server, and it is responding to that web pages of it. Now this website is open, and by default our first page will be displayed as this, that various courses are there. Now web pages, that means any particular page which is displayed in your browser, that is called as the web page, but the all are the web pages contained, which is combinedly said is the website. And particular, suppose I'm opening that diploma. So this is called one of the web page of my this Marwadi University website. First, everyone clear about the what is a web page and what is a website are there?
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now see, in that a web page, various fonts are there, various color combinations are there, various tab are there. See, this panel is displayed the diploma engineering, and the diploma engineering in a white font are there. Then few paragraphs will be displayed in proper format. Then graduate programs, which is displayed in a different color. So how can we display it? So based on that HTML, we can create it and we can execute it in the our browser. Yes. So whatever we are creating, any design part, that we will be covered in the HTML as well as in the CSS.
સર
Yes.
વિવેકનો મેસેજ આવ્યો છે એને ઇન કરો ને.
I'll allow you. Okay, so is there any doubt or any questions regarding that website, web pages? Then what is the HTML part? First, what we will be learn? Did you get it or not?
Got it, sir.
Okay,
Got
is
it,
there
sir.
any confusion from your side?
તો મારે આ એક પિંગ જે આપણે સેન્ડ કરીએ એના રિલેટેડ એક હતો.
Ha, yes, you can.
સર હવે જે ઘણી સર્ટન વેબસાઇટ છે, સર્ટન કન્ટ્રીઝ ની વેબસાઇટ છે, ઈ લિમિટેડ યુઝર્સ ને જ અલાઉડ હોય કે આ એરિયા આ સર્ટન કન્ટ્રી ની છે, તો ઈ બીજા કન્ટ્રી વાળા નો જોઈ શકે, તો ઈ કઈ રીતે રિસ્ટ્રિક્શન્સ લગાડતા હોય?
That restrictions will be done by the various algorithms are there. Otherwise, that will be depends on that the domain level are there. If you observe that we have to use that Marwadi University, that website web URL name, then after these are the domain. If you observe my selection portion .ac.in, okay, so this domain we purchase to upload or to deploy our website. So suppose I'll design this Marwadi University website so that I can execute on my only and only my system. But if I want to access as a globally, so I have to deploy it. So I have to purchase this domain. Clear? So AC means academic. Clear? So if you are providing any this web URL to any other person, so if they know that domain name, they can understand that AC, that is called this web URL is for the particular academic website, and in means it's India. Clear? In means IN means it's Indian website. So this Indian academic Indian website domain will purchase by the Marwadi University, and then after we can deploy and anyone can access for anywhere. Get it? So restrictions, we can't say that any particular this point we can restrict to that. Numbers of restriction we can apply it either as domain wise, otherwise we can say that it's server wise restrictions. Clear?
સર જે એડફ્લાય કરીને જે વેબસાઇટ છે, જે આપણી જે લિંક્સ હોય,
ઓકે,
એની ઉપર એક ઈ પોતાની લિંક ક્રિએટ કરે અને એમાં પછી એડ્સ નાખીને રીડાયરેક્ટ કરે એવી હોય છે ઘણી લિંક્સ, તમને ખબર હોય તો.
હા, પ્રોક્સી સર્વર યુઝ કરે એના માટે.
તો સર એમાં ઘણીવાર મારે ટેક્સચર પેક્સ છે એ હું ડાઉનલોડ કરતો, તો એમાંથી હું જ્યારે જાઉં ને તો એમાં ઘણીવાર કે ધીસ વેબસાઇટ હેઝ બીન બેન્ડ, it's not accessible because of government of India.
Yes, that some firewalls will be implemented over there. Depends on that which particular net you are using. For example, right now I'm using that Marwadi University campus So if that Marwadi University server are applying that a firewall that I can't open a Facebook, so that firewall it will be implementable. So I can't open it that Facebook using that internet. So depends on that which are the restrictions are provided, either as firewall, either as server wise or the domain wise. So depends on it. Proxy server is used. So if the server or any particular domain or server find that it uses that proxy website or proxy IP address are there, so it will be banned to this website. Or maybe it will be possible that it banned to you particularly, not a website.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I think everyone is clear about that what we learn in this subject from my side, and then after what is the our actual flow between as faculty and the students are there. So everyone is okay with that?
હેલો
Yes,
સર.
sir.
Yes.
સર આ આપણે જે સાઇટ હોય સમજી
Yes.
ગયા તમે .in લખેલું છે
Yes.
તો ખાલી ઇન્ડિયામાં ડિસ્પ્લે થાય એવું હોય?
No, actually we are purchasing that domain. So that will be depends. એવું જરૂરી નથી only Indians can access it. Anywhere, anyone can access this. Not, it's not possible that only for that Indian.
ઓકે સર, થેન્ક યુ સર.
Okay. Okay. Anything else? Any
નો સર.
questions?
નો
Okay.
નો.
Okay. So we can take a 5 to 10 minutes break. So just relax for the 5 to 10 minutes. Right now it's 2:11 is that sharp 2:20 we will be rejoined. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Move back to the our points that website is actually we are requesting as a client, we are request to that particular website, and the server at that particular server the responding the web pages or website. Clear? Now the web pages we can say that as a technically. So web page is a text file that containing that HTML. Now text file, that means actual information. If I see you that any particular paragraph which is displayed, but how that text will be displayed, so using a HTML, so that HTML part will be cover up that particular content of it. Clear? So the full form is of the HTML is the hypertext markup language. Clear? And one homework for you, why it's called as the hypertext markup language. You have to find out that the elaborations of this are various word. Why it's called as the hypertext, why it's called as the markup. And language, we know that any particularly we are designing or creating our program, that's so why it is called as the language. Clear? So everyone clear about that? What is your homework? You have to find out. Now see, in a previous day, yesterday I told you the B batch students, you have to prepare a one book are there, not for that as a school માં તમે કહેતા હોય this is the class book, then rough book are there. This type of book we are not creating, just but everything the content of my subject, that you have to put it into, or that you have to just write down in the your particular one book are there. So it will be a very easy to understand, and it will be very easy to read at the last. So whatever I'll given to you, any exercise or any particular practical part, so that homework that you have to note down into your book. So at the last I'll be give you to, or I'll be send you that you have to submit it. Okay, everyone?
ઓકે સર.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so your
Okay,
so
sir.
today's first homework for you, that why hypertext markup language is called, or what is the meaning of each and every word, what is the meaning of hypertext, what is the meaning of markup. Clear? And today now we will learn about the first practical or first web page or in the HTML part are there. Clear everyone? The homework and now what?
सर
Yes. Yes.
सर आप फिर से रिपीट कर रहे हैं ना वो बुक के बारे में मेरा नेट चला गया था ना इसलिए समझ में नहीं आया।
Okay, you have to create a one book. So whatever I given to you or any particular session wise, if you observe that this is the important part of that, you have to note down in your book. Clear? So that book we can say
सर
that in particular my subject you have to note down it. For example, that HTML. So you note down that full form of HTML, definition of web pages. Then next I'll given you that homework that you have to elaborate or you have to find out that the meaning of hypertext markup language. So why it's called as hypertext markup language. So whatever the answer you have to note down in the notebook. So at the end of this semester, you can note down that many things that we will be learn in future or that you can read in the future, and it is a very helpful to you. Okay, get it?
मैं आई सर
Yes, Jeet.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सर आप ये पीपीटी नहीं भेजेंगे वो ऐप में
Yes, I given to you that, but see, this virtual lecture are there, so some writing practice is required. Clear? Because
नहीं सर
everything,
वो हम उस
everything I
पीपीटी
pro.
वो
पीपीटी
सर
से लिख सकते हैं
Yes,
आप पूरी
everything I'll
पीपीटी
provide
लिख
you.
डाले ना
Yes, everything I'll provide you, but then also you have to mention in that notebook. For example, this homework I'll given to you that you have to find out the meaning of HTML, why it's called. So now you have to mention in your notebook, and if it is available in the PPT, then it is beneficial for you for the digital concept.
नहीं वो क्या सर आप पीपीटी भेजेंगे तो उसमें से भी हम लिख सकते हैं ना इसलिए मैंने
Yes,
पूछा
I'll be given to you, but not for the day by day. If it will be complete or it will be a finalized that, then after I'll be provide you this PPT also. But suppose
ओके सर
today I'll be not given to you, then you have to note down it. Clear? Is it okay for
ओके
everyone?
ओके 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 ओके
यस
ओके
सर
Okay, so now let's start our first practical or first web page, how to create a web pages. So based on that web pages, first we have to understand the tags of HTML are there. Clear? Tags means what? Tags means that we have to covered in the HTML. So whenever you are creating that HTML, any web page designing, so we have to use this HTML. Now HTML, this is called as the tag. Now between that HTML, this is my starting tag and how to end this tag. So forward slash and then after HTML between this angular bracket. So whatever I mention in that HTML, it is considered or it is design of my web pages. So this is our first tag of the HTML, that is HTML tag. Clear? So tag means tag is also called as the element, but as a technically we always use as the tag word. Why it's called as the tag word? Because tag is the various tags are available in HTML. We can say that it's a simple basic tags, color tags, image tag, list tags are there. And if you are moving on or if you are using that CSS part, so we are using that a style tag are there. Clear? So whenever we are cover or whenever we learn that, at that time I'll be explain you about the depth of it, but right now we are just starting of it. So how to create your web pages? So everyone must remind that we must have to start with the HTML tag. Now each and every tags has some meanings are there, and each and every tags has some features are there. So now let's start our the next tag of the HTML part are there. So next tag is the head tag. Now head tag is used to display your heading of your web page. Clear? But head is only for the heading, but what are the contents will be displayed, that will be used as the title tag. So for example, I'm using that my first, I'll given to you as to prepare this exercise. Don't write now, because I'll be given to you as a time to prepare it. So my first web page, suppose this is my ending.
સર
Yes.
સર આપને આ કેપિટલમાં લખવું એવું કઈ કમ્પલસરી નથી ને
No,
ગમે
no,
એમાં લખી તો
no,
ચાલે ને
no, 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 no any compulsory. This HTML language, it's not a case sensitive. You can use any, either a small or capital letter is there. Clear?
ઓકે
Okay,
ઓકે
so
સર
see, in a head tag, that title is a sub tag of the head tag. It must be included in the between that head tag. So now head tag, I mention only that my first web page in the header part. Clear? So first I have to complete in the header tag. So which whatever the tag you are starting, it must be complete. Clear? Some of the tags is not required to complete, but whenever we are jump on that, or whenever it time to understand, at that time I will tell you that this tag is not compulsory to end. But if you are practicing to do that, it is very beneficial to you. Yes, Harsh.
સર તમે ઓલો હેડ ટેગ ફરીથી કયો ને,
Sorry, I can't
હેડ
hear
ખાલી
your question
ટેક્સ્ટ છે એવું કઈ?
properly. Repeat your question.
હેડ હેડ ટેગ છે,
Huh?
હેડ,
Okay.
હલો,
Yes.
એ શેના માટે યુઝ થાય?
Okay, head tag is used to display the heading part of
હા
your
હા
web
હા,
page. Clear? I'll
ઓકે
demonstrate you.
ઓકે
Then
ઓકે.
you can realize that where your head part will be displayed, where the other content will be displayed. Clear?
ઓકે સર,
Okay, so just
થેન્ક
right now you just observe that. Then after I'll be given to you as an exercise. Now next part is that a body tag. This is the most important tag of the HTML part. So whatever you want to display in your web page, clear? Now when I execute this, and then I'll display you that this is the heading part, and this is the title of your web page, and this is the actual content which is display in the body tag. Now body tag, suppose I mention over here as a p tag, so this is called as the paragraph tag. Clear? My name is Hiren. For example, I mention this statement, my name is Hiren. It's I mention in that p tag, but I must have to display in my web pages. So that must be display in the body tag, or we can say that that must be between that a body tag. So right now I'm just writing to or demonstrate you this a little bit code in that my whiteboard are there, but we always use these two as in editor. Now what is the HTML editor? You can use anything, either as notepad plus plus or simple notepad. Clear? So I'm just copy this code. Okay, you can see my screen. I am opening a notepad file.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so see that I'm just paste my this code. So first of all, you don't need to write your code into whiteboard. You can directly write your code into your notepad file. Clear? So first of all, everyone listen careful this instruction, these steps, because next 5 to 10 minutes you have to follow this. Now what is our next instruction? first you have to start with the HTML tag, and then after head tag, inside of head tag you must have to mention the title of your web page. Clear? And first complete your head tag. Before the body tag starting, your head tag must be completed. Then and then your body part will be start. And inside of that body part, I am just mention a one paragraph. This p tag is called as the paragraph tag, and in that paragraph I am just writing that my name is Hiren. There, and then paragraph tag will be over, then body tag will be over, then finally HTML tag will be over. So be careful, the first tag will be over as the last. Remind this statement, first tag, when you start off your first tag, that will be over at the last, but depends on your tag. If you observe that head tag will be start as second, but it is completed as before the HTML tag or before the body tags over. Get my point? This is the structure of our HTML first web pages. Now after this completion of this exercise, you can say anyone that I can create a website, but a website has a different content. Clear? So this is our basic and first program of the HTML. Now next step, first you have to save this file. Save this file anywhere in your system, anywhere in your system. So HTML is no need to specific a location are there. I'm just store this file in my desktop, so h1, but you must have to store with this extension. The extension is the HTML. Did you see this my pop-up window?
Yes, sir.
Okay, h1.html. So all files, then h1.html.
સર તમે મ્યુટ થઈ ગયા છો.
Yes, this h1.html. Be careful whenever you stored your file anywhere in your system, but you must have to store with .html file. This is the extension of our file. Clear? If you don't use this HTML file, don't use this HTML extension, our web page will not create. It is stored as only text file. So be careful and be remind this. Clear? Whenever you save your file, it must be used as .html. Clear these instructions for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now just I am save this file on my desktop, and when I open my desktop part, so see this h1 dot file are there. Now if I'm save this file with .html, so automatically my system consider one of my default browser logo are there. Clear? So if we are writing our code in the notepad, but if we have save this file with HTML extension, so default my system will be considered one of the default browser logo for my this file HTML. Clear? So when I double click on it, it is executing in my browser. So now my first web page is created. If you observe that my name is Hiren will be display in my content area. This is called as the content area. અહીંયા તમારો બધો data display થશે. All data will be displayed over here. See over here. Did you see my cursor which I move to the upper part?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now see over here it is mentioned that my first web page, which is my title of my web page. Yeah, so title will be displayed over here. That is called as the heading of your web page. if you again, I'll demonstrate you that Marwadi University website. So Marwadi University website, this is called as the URL and this is the heading of it. When I click on that home page, suppose right now the diploma web page is displayed. When I click on my home page of Marwadi University, the head will be changed. See, did you observe it?
Yes.
So this title part will be displayed in again and again, or it will be changed. That we will be learn in the HTML part. So first everyone clear that if you want to display anything over here, clear? A part below the URL part, anything will be displayed that you must have to mention in the body tag, and whatever you want to mention in the a tab part, that you must have to mention in the title tag. So first everyone clear about the first exercise of the HTML, that any question or any concept that you didn't get it, so I can revise it. By default I'll be revised it, but any specific question from your side?
Sir,
Yes.
I have no question in this, but I had one doubt.
Yes, yes.
We can also add a color box, no? We can also
Yes,
highlight our name
yes,
with different colors.
numbers of things you can edit over here, but this is our first exercise. Then step by step we will be learn and we will be moving to that various exercise and various
No,
implementation.
no, sir. My intention was that as you highlighted your on the content area that my name is Hiren.
Okay.
We can also change it in other colors also, na?
Yes, yes, that's
In
why
HTML.
that's why I told you that this is the first basic exercise of the HTML. Step by step we will be learn each and everything, to color implementations, to various font size are there, to place of this text.
So
Okay. Okay, so this is your code to first exercise. So everyone note down this. And then after tell me that how many students are attending this session with their computer system, not in the mobile. Just raise your hand. Those who are attending this session with their laptop or particular computer system, raise your hand so I can give that exercise to you and they can perform right now. Okay, only 2 students. What about other students? See, if you are right now performing, then I can sort out that each and everything. If is there any error or if it's not displayed, so I can sort out it. And one more thing.
Sir,
Yes.
this we have to write in the notebook, no, that.
Right now you have to note down it, but if you are just attending this session with the computer or laptop, then I'll be given to you as a time to perform this.
I'm using phone.
Okay, then you must have to note down in your notebook.
Okay.
Okay, so first everyone has to note down it. Then after related with this, I'll given to you one exercise and that you have to perform right now. And after completion of this lab, you can tell anyone that I can create a website, but that website is for the limitations, not for the a specific website which is running in the market.
सर इसमें हेडिंग क्या दे?
First you note down it, then after I'll give on to you exercise. First, is there any?
હેલો સર.
Yes, Ridham.
સોરી સર, હું સર 2 મિનિટ કામ હતું તો બહાર ગયો તો કોલ આવ્યો તો. સર શું કરવાનું છે?
Okay.
હેલો સર.
Yes, Ridham. Okay. Now see.
હા.
You have to note down this code.
This
And
code.
based on
My-
this, I'll be given to you one exercise that you have to perform it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Anyone has a question regarding that heading tag? I'll be given to you each and every instruction. First, everyone note down that. Then after, I'll given to you the specific definition of it. Okay, so those who have attending with the computer system or laptop, that only they have to create this exercise. What you have to do, open the notepad, write down this code, replace your name with this. My name is Nijaget. You have to write your name and complete this exercise. Save this file with .html and just raise your hand if you are completed. Then I'll be allow you to share your screen so everyone can see your output. And if you do not have any output, then don't worry, I'll be sort out this. Vishnu, there we have a time to take attendance. Clear? So don't expect that if you are mention your attendance in chat box and I'll be considered.
સર.
Yes, Moise.
સર આપને આમાં આપને સ્પેસ કેટલી મૂકવાની ઈ કેવી રીતના આપને ખબર પડે?
Right now it's not required any space. See, if you note down that my name is Hiren, suppose I forgot this space. Clear? And just a minute. I'm just refresh this page. So it is remove this space between Y and N. See? So in the body tag,
Yes, sir.
whatever you are right, in the body tag, whatever you are right, it is display in your browser. Clear? Between that tag and between that content, it is not mentioned or it is not specified this space is mentioned. Actually, this is called as the programming language structure. I can see that HTML is my root tag, then HTML will be done, and body tag is the root tag of it, and head tag. So I can see that head tag, this is my the sub tag, or this is the line of my sub tag. So always I'm using the structure of this programming. So when you are mentioned particular, so it is inside of it. That's why I'm using this tab space.
Okay, sir.
If I'm writing in each and every this single line, so that is also not to worry, it is also displayed. See, now I'll opening my web browser. See, it's a simple, my name is Hiren will be displayed. Yeah. So but if I'm using this way, so I can get this easily, that head tag will be over here, then this is my title tag, then body tag, I can understand this is the part of my body tag. Okay, so now I'm
Sir.
yes.
Sir, if we forgot to end something, then the error will be there or not?
No, HTML some restriction are there. HTML not given to you any error, but it is not displayed any content. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I'll given to you example. Suppose I am forgot that HTML part to end with. Clear? And so some tags is required to compulsory over here. For example, body tag is also not there. Just a sec. Some of the tags will be taken your previous buffer side. Clear? Buffer in that particular buffer, the tags will be considered it. That's it. That is some limitations of the HTML, because if you delete that tag and then also it is displayed, so it will be taken from the buffer side. See, majority tags I'll be deleted from my file, then also it is displayed properly. How it's possible?
Sir,
Yes.
સર આપણે આમાં માર્ક્યુ ટેગ કેવી રીતે લગાડીએ કે સર?
Each and every tag we will be covered in the day by day, not for the in first day. Each and not.
એમ નહીં સર, એટલે એક જાતની ટેગ જ છે ને, એ પૂછવું હતું
Yes,
સર.
yes, marquee is a tag are there. So today my target is that first everyone get that what is a tag and what are the main tag for the HTML file.
સહી નામ નામ સ્ક્રીન ઉપરથી જાય એ માર્કેટ એક જ ને.
First of all, those who don't have any question, please mute yourself. Jeet. Yes, that movable name, movable content, it is done by the marquee tag. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so let us go for our actual ideal structure of it.
Sir, we should see this file to get result of error, right?
Sorry?
Sir, we should save this file to get this error when you just remove the body tag and
No,
HTML.
HTML never give you that any error. If you have any error in your code part, it not display your content. Yeah, but it not give you that error. Error will be given by the PHP, those who have a scripting language, those who have a logical something content. In the HTML, there is a no any logical part are there. Logical means you have to think about that what we have to do it. Right now we have to just design it. That's why it's not logical.
સર લખાઈ ગયું.
Okay, so who can give their demonstration or who can display their output? So right now I'm stop
Sir.
my scare.
Sir,
Yes.
I can.
Okay.
Sir,
Then,
sir, may I plug first, please?
okay, Nishant, you can share your screen and show me your output.
Sir, I have wrote the, but I don't get the. But see, I am sharing my notepad screen first, sir. Sir, I've done this, but I didn't get any output, sir.
Okay. Mm, Nishant Abi, then head tag is over. Okay, now open this notepad file, means execute this notepad file.
Okay, sir, wait a minute. I just.
Okay, whenever you save this, show me that.
Wait,
Nishant dot.
yeah, yes, sir. I sir saved in as a
Okay, right now we just
HTML file.
okay Nishant.html. Okay, all files. I think Nissan.html is already there. It will be overwrite. Okay, save it, save it,
Yes,
save
sir.
it, save it. So it is asked to
Uh,
you. Let's replace it. Okay,
done,
now
sir. Now
double click on that file which is display on the desktop.
yes, sir. Wait, sir. I share my whole screen, sir.
Okay.
Oh,
Yes, double click on it. So see, we can see that Nissan system that by default browser is the
and sir, it's showing nothing.
wait. So see everyone that title will be displayed, and with the title tag and head tag is also displayed. If you observe that, can
Yeah.
you just click on that maximize button?
Okay.
Not
Okay.
maximize,
Sir,
right side.
it's a maximum, sir.
Three button are there. Wait, right side, top right corner, that three button are there.
Yes, sir.
Maximize, and
Yes,
close.
sir.
Yes, maximize. Okay, now see that this are not again. Click single. Okay, now see this title bar.
Okay.
See the title bar. Title tag and head tag is also displayed. So now we can understand that something is missing over there.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now open the text file.
Okay, sir.
That text file, no. Actually, you have to open your HTML file with right click on it, not this. That's so why this right click on it and open with, not it is open in directly in browser. See everyone, if you are always double click on it, so it will be displayed. So open with
Notepad.
yes, open with Notepad. Then and then you can retrieve your code. Okay, now see your end title text spell is wrong. Title, not Tilte.
Okay, sir.
End tag, it's starting tag, not this one, Nishant. I am talking about
End tag.
ending title tag.
Slash title માં ખોટું છે.
Wait, Abhay, you are not. I'll be given to exercise at that time. You can help your friends. Title. One T is okay. Now head tag. Okay, now try it again. Save this file and just refresh your page. It's already, I think, open.
No, sir, it's closed. I closed it.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
My
Done, sir.
name is Nishant. Will be displayed, and see the title of this. See, error will be not displayed. It will be displayed something chaos. Clear, everyone? Okay, Nishant, stop your screen and okay, Abhay.
Okay, sir.
Show me your output. Abhay. Okay. Yes. Now see, Abhay has wrote their code in the single line, means all are in the left alignment. So that is not requirement that you have to note down in this space tag, clear, with this space. You can write your code in the single left alignment. That will be also okay. But I'll insist to each and everyone that if you are using this programming structure properly, then it is very beneficial when you are creating many lines of code. Okay, so okay, very good, Abhay. Okay, stop your screen. Anyone they want to display their output? Rhythm, Vatsal, you can share your screen. Okay, rhythm is also complete there. Okay, rhythm, can you show me your actual code file?
1 minute, sir.
Yes, choose another app. Okay, good. My name is Rhythm. Okay, Vatsal. Okay, laptop work currently. It's okay, Vatsal. So, everyone clear this? Any confusions? Your first exercise?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
I'll given to you one more exercise to do that. Now I'm directly give you that what I want to in a display part. Clear? Directly I'll be given to you that what I want to in a display part.
સર
Yes.
સર મારી અગર પીસી નથી તો સર
Okay, those who don't have any PC, then I'll given to you that one solution are there. You can directly start your web scripting language in one of the website are there. So next session, remind me that I'll be given to you. Yeah. Right now, you
Okay,
just
sir.
સર
note down your code in the notebook. Yes. Okay. Now I want to display like this way. My name is Hiren. I am studying in Marwadi University. You have to display like Jeet, mute your mic again and again. I'll tell you that that is not a good practice.
सर वो ऑटोमेटिक हो जाता है सर वो मेरा नेट ग्लिच हुआ है
Okay, no problem. Okay, so I want to display like this two statement. My name is Hiren. I'm studying in Marwadi University. That is your next exercise. What you have to do, remaining, just think about it. Then after I'll given to you this code. First, if you are complete this exercise, then inform me. Then I'll be allow you to share your screen. Okay, Abhay, share your screen. Just wait, I'll stop my screen. Okay, Abhay, now. Okay, Abhay, tell me what you are used for the next line. It's
Sir,
P1.
P1.
Okay, what is the meaning of this P1 tag?
Sir, it creates another
Paragraph 1.
paragraph.
Okay, it's another create another paragraph. Yes, very good. See, this exercise, then day by day we can learn the various tags are there. Clear? So today we will learn a tags: HTML tag, head tag, title tag, body tag, NP tag are there. Clear? So if I ask you a specific student as one question, so anyone can give that answer of it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll ask
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Rohan, roll number
Yes,
8.
sir.
Rohan, what is the use of body tag?
Sir, body tag is used for writing content of the HTML. The
Okay,
content which is to be shown is written
yes,
in between
perfect,
body and
perfect,
slash body.
perfect answer. Very good, Rohan. Okay, now next is Moise.
Yes, sir.
Moise, what is the use of title tag?
Sir means in that main subject is then on that we have to write that topic.
Okay, otherwise you can say that to display the content of your title or title of your web page. Okay,
Okay, sir. Main
okay.
type.
Now next
Okay.
one is Vivek.
Yes, sir.
Vivek, what is the use of p tag?
For change paragraph.
Okay, to create a paragraph. Yes, very good. Okay, Abhay, stop your screen. Okay, now I'll show you one more. For example, I'm removing this p tag, but I'm just write down my next line directly. I am studying in Marwadi University. Clear? I'm just save this file and refresh this. So if you are not mention this paragraph tag, it will be take in a same line. That doesn't matter that if you are write in your code file in the 2 line, that doesn't matter for the system, because system understand only whatever you are write in that code file. This is your code file. Getting my point? So everyone get this, what is the main usage of p tag?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so any confusion, any doubt about up to in today's session?
No,
No,
sir.
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so now we will take attendance and we have to follow some format to taking any attendance are there. First, I'll call your name and then after you must have to write your any yes sir or present sir in the chat box so I can get it and your automatically attendance will be note down it. Getting? Is there any confusion from your side? Then I'll be sort out each and everything.
सर आप हमारे पास पीसी नहीं था आप अगले लेक्चर में वो कहने वाले हैं ना?
Yes. Next lecture I'll be given to you demonstrate how to note down or how to execute your code.
ओके सर.
Okay, so first is Nishant. Yes, very good. Khush, Rohan. You just mention in that chat box yes sir or present sir. Khush. Okay, Rohan, Jeet, Moise, Mayank, Rahul.
सर
Yes.
सर ये चैट में हम आपको भेज रहे हैं ना तो वो कह रहे हैं कि आप नहीं प्रेजेंट है.
हाँ सर.
Okay, Jeet, I'll be consider your.
Click on it.
Okay,
ओके सर.
don't worry, Jeet, I'll be consider. Okay, Moise is also there. Mayank, then Rahul, then Rhythm. Rhythm, your turn is remain. Jai, Harsh, Neil, Abhay, Harsh, Vivek, and last one is Vatsal. Yes, Jai.
Sir, I'm not able to send to you.
Okay, it's okay. I'll be considered. No worries. Okay, after that you can leave. If you are mention your presence in chat box, then after you can leave.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Have a
Thank
nice
you,
day.
sir.
Thank to you. Bye. If you have any question, then you can ask me.
સર મારી પ્રેઝન્ટ આવી ગઈ ને?
Yes, Moise, don't worry.
ઓકે ઓકે.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Same to you. Bye.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Bye.
Sir,
Yes.
we can use the BR tag also, no? Instead of P tag.
Yes, numbers of tags are there, but I'm just asking, and I'm just create any curiosity of your side that if you are finding that number of tags, that is the most important part in the engineering. Don't depend on that particular faculties. That faculties always learn each and everything, because engineering is not a limit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's
Thank you,
why
sir.
we are always creating the curiosity. Then you have to find out it. This numbers of tags are there. It's engineering is one kind of the sea, and how many water or how much water you can get it from that sea.
Yes, sir. It's absolutely correct.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.